All right, what's up, folks? Anthony here, Hawkeye Traders. Welcome to the video. Want to show you how we can easily identify predictable highs by simply looking at the volume, pairing it with the understanding of what price is doing, when, where, and why. Guys, understanding these components I'm going to discuss in this very short video will absolutely revolutionize your trading, okay? I wish somebody taught me these things very, very many years ago. When I first got started, it would have immensely helped me save a bunch of time and a bunch of money, right? So imagine if you can just come into the market every day and you could very easily depict highs and lows. Well, you can, as long as you understand who's in control, when, where, and why. You can put that thesis together and actually create a very simple trade plan around it. All right? I want to talk about this very specific pullback right here. We're looking at gold futures. I actually called this high live this morning. Okay, so this is not a hindsight. This is actual live market analysis in the live market as it is ticking away. And I very specifically said, hey, take a look at this high placed right here on gold, and more importantly, look down below at the volume, right? Notice the volume was in a heavy decrease. In fact, that was the lowest volume printed in the prior 4 candles. So what does that tell you? That tells you that that new high, that session high, is in fact going to fail, or more than likely to fail. And that's what happened. I said, guys, look, we're going to fall back from here. Okay? Where are we going to find support? I don't know. But I do know, at least for some period of time, we're going to fall back. Right? And what happened? We fell back about 126 ticks on gold. Right? That's $1,260 per contract. Right? So understanding that, that is a great way to approach a very low risk, high probability trade. Because where am I wrong? I'm wrong if we violate this candle. So what am I risking? I don't know, maybe 10 ticks to potentially earn over 100? That's a really, really great way to think about understanding how small of a risk you should be taking and how large of a profit you should be targeting. Now, truth be told, I was targeting these lows here from this prior price action. Notice we consolidated before we made that final push. Well, I'm starting to peel out of my position as we come into this level, right? And then I definitely want to peel out of more of it as we penetrate through, because now we're hitting all the stop orders that were sitting under these lows. Notice that once we did that, we turned around. We impulsed, we corrected, we impulsed, and take a look at this high. This high was made on decreasing volume. Now, I'm not telling you that we can't place a higher low here and continue higher, but I am telling you that at least from here, you can see weakness coming back into the market, that there wasn't going to be follow through. Now, whether this double top holds and we sell off for the rest of the day or not, I don't know the answer to that yet. Okay, but I do know that with confidence, I knew this was going to fall back to some degree. Just like with confidence, I knew that this top was going to fall back with some degree of certainty based around my understanding of both volume and price action. Okay, Hawkeye makes it super easy because we provide you with the most simplistic indicators that are proprietary to reading and understanding the volume that is actually transacting inside each rotation, right? This is a 3-minute candle. So each candle is a 3-minute rotation. That's how long the candle is in play from the time it opens till the time it closes, right? And you can see we printed buying volume here, but on a very low interest basis. That's how I knew we were going to fall back. Same thing here. This printed green buying volume, even though it closed lower than it opened, and I saw that that buying volume was decreasing. So I knew with a great deal of certainty, to some degree, this was going to pull back, right? If this pulls back and it breaks this low, we're probably going to put a newly appointed lower low in somewhere down in this area. Now, I want you to keep something in mind. As I'm shooting this video, we are anticipating the Fed funds rate and the FOMC statement at 2 hours from now. So I do know that the market is going to react around those things. So what am I going to do? I'm going to trade extraordinarily conservative, taking only the tiniest risks and starting to take profit and protecting myself very quickly. Right? That is how you survive in the market. But having the understanding and the tools to be able to identify when, where, why, and how, creating a thesis around what's happening and what's likely to happen next, guys, that becomes game-changing and you become unstoppable. So if you want to learn more, there's some links below this video. I encourage you to click on them, consume the content. You can send myself an email. You can send my Hawkeye Concierge team an email. And I'm even going to drop a phone number down there too if you'd like to speak to somebody. Feel free to leave comments below the video. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to share more content like this with you. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.